Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be trading for 100 Blizzard fruits.
I got it so locked in, I didn't even realize I unlocked the flight ability. Go ahead and activate that. Hell yeah. Oh, dude, being in flight mode drains your feather meter. Bro, I'm already out of feather. Are you serious?
Almost got you with that one. You almost slipped, Macho. That's 3 stages down, and this next stage looks easy. Just a really long path. Guess you better walk to the end and see what's up. But while he's walking, you may have realized he's been here before. 3 months ago, Macho attempted a very similar challenge to this, and unfortunately, he failed. If he doesn't complete this stage quickly, he may fail again, because the trap here is severe. At the end of the long path he's walking down, there's actually one low jump that looks easy. But despite looking